RōBEX presents Automation for the Now, a series discussing industry-specific topics that affect manufacturing processes and the automation solutions that are innovating the future today.
Hey folks, my name is Cal Bowers. I'm the Director of Business Development here at RōBEX. We're located in Perrysburg, Ohio. We are starting a brand new YouTube series called Automation for the Now, and this is episode 1. So this should go viral within, I don't know, hours, hopefully, after we kind of put it into the system. Now, all kidding aside, we are excited. This has been something we've been talking about and planning for quite a while. Here at RōBEX, we're very focused on the future, obviously with what we do, which we're going to talk about in the automation world, but also helping provide information, education, this data for the people that we get to work with, folks that we want to work with, and for the up and coming individuals and even kind of the younger generation that want to get into this type of business. So we're trying to help provide just a platform for a wide variety of folks that are going to hopefully enjoy this series, Automation for the Now. So let's have some fun with this. How about that? So really, one of the first things, I'm going to jump around a little bit, but the need is the focus, right? At the end of the day, we're talking to individuals about need at a facility where they have an automation need, where they have a unique line of products that they're producing that they need help either picking it, packing it, palletizing, or moving it through their facility. And that's where there's going to be a number of questions I'm going to ask, and my team's going to ask, as it relates to trying to determine if there's a fit with us or what we do and what we specialize in, or if we have to try to figure out another route for them, whether it's within RōBEX or with some of our business partners that are also very good in the industry that might be more specific. First things first, I always like to talk about our expertise. We are very focused on providing solutions in the industrial world, and that's we don't work a lot within the automotive world, even though we're kind of in the corridor of automotive businesses up in Detroit with the big three and a number of plants here in Ohio and Michigan. Our focus is in the food and beverage industry, glass, plastics, paper, tissue, building products, building materials. So we are very, have a lot of expertise, a lot of examples, and a lot of just history of having the folks that have worked here and we're bringing on to provide good direction for our partners. So that's the need. The first part is they're going to try to find a need for our partners. So a question I'm going to ask right off the bat is there an active project? Is there a project that you're starting to get information from? And is it, how well versed are you in the automation world as it relates to what we're trying to provide with the products that we have? Is there a timeline, right, for when you're looking at, when our partners are looking at trying to determine when they're going to need robotic automation within their facility or within their system or facilities? And then how quickly do we need to act? So a lot of times we might be getting a call where within the next 3 to 4 months, there's an active purchase order that they're looking to fill. So they need to get us on board immediately to begin providing solutions, providing direction. So if that's the case, then that's when I bring in the next part of the team. We have engineers that are going to sit down and actively go through our partners and work with the individuals on the other end, on our prospects end, and getting some key items. Now, these are items that are going to help our engineers put together a plan of action, if you will, to make sure we're understanding correctly everything that we need to know for our partners for their project. So I'm going to ask a couple key questions. I'm going to need a CAD layout, videos of the current process, or pictures, and we're happy and ready to sign an NDA because we want to protect the information for our partners as it relates to their proprietary information. Product dimensions and weights. So if we're getting information or getting product that we need to be picking and packing, what's the weight, what's the size? It's very, very important because it allows our engineers to be able to put together some end solutions that are going to help work for our partners. What's the pallet pattern? Are we doing a palletization unit or robot for their needs? So is there a specific pattern, or are they open to being able to have us provide some good direction. Again, because of our experience in working with numerous other partners and having the great partnership with a company like FANUC, which is our robotic provider. FANUC is they are the world's leading robotic provider. They have over 60% of all the robots in the world. So having that expertise on our end and also on our business partners end with FANUC is going to allow us to provide some unique direction on a pallet pattern, as simple as that sounds. And that can make the difference of a huge difference for many of our partners when it comes to efficiency and getting their product ready to move into the secondary market. I want to invite you now to watch a short video of our robotics partners that are integrated with our precision solutions here at RōBEX. If you have any more questions or to find out more information about RōBEX, please visit us at our website or simply email us at automation@robex.us. Thanks for watching.